Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by granting the right permissions, open settings and go directly to apps, then floating window. Tap the app you want to float and switch on allow display over other apps. This permits overlays. Once done, enable Smart Panel or Assistive Ball from accessibility or display options. These shortcuts make launching floats faster. Make sure battery saver is off for that app because aggressive power rules can block overlays. Now you have the permission foundation. Proceed to create the actual floating window. You open the target app first, then access recent apps with the gesture or button. Tap the app icon at the top of the card and choose Open in split screen only if floating window is not visible. On Smart 9, the floating option shows under the same menu in most builds. Select floating window and the app becomes a movable overlay. Drag it by the header and resize from corners to fit your view. Remember to position it where controls remain accessible. You finalize by locking or pinning the floating window if your launcher supports it. This prevents accidental swipes from closing the overlay. Use the X or close control to exit when finished, or swipe the float to the side to hide it temporarily. If the floating window fails to open, go back to permissions and battery optimization. Disable optimization for that app and confirm display over other apps is still enabled. If issues persist, reboot the phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.